Welcome back mga ropa. Kwentuhan muna tayo. Ito na lang ang naging reaksyon ni Anthony Edwards, the Ant-Man, nang matalo sila ni Luka Doncic at ng Dallas Mavericks sa Game 2. Isa lang ang naging labang ng Dallas Mavericks kontra sa Minnesota Timberwolves at ito ay galing sa 3 points pa ni Luka Doncic kontra sa 4 times Defensive Player of the Year na si Rudy Gobert. Nag-ambag naman itong si Ant-Man ng 21 points, 7 assists at 5 rebounds with 40 minutes of playing time at mayroong field goals na 5 out of 17. Si Nasrid naman ay nagkaroon ng 23 points, si Karl Anthony Towns mayroong 15 points, si Mike Conley with 18 points at si Rudy Gobert with 16 points. After matalo ng Minnesota Timberwolves, na-interview itong si Anthony Edwards ng media at ayon sa kanya, sinadya daw niyang hindi tumira sa Game 2 at ipasa ang bola sa kanyang mga kampe katulad ni Nasrid dahil daw open ang mga ito at ito daw ang tamang desisyon.
But I'm turning down a lot of shots, you know, like my mid-ranges and stuff. I'm turning a lot of those down. But we getting open looks, so I ain't tripping.
And are you turning those down just to get your other teammates going and get?
Yeah, I mean they're open. Yeah, they're open. So I'm just making the right play. But
nang matanong siya tungkol sa kanyang fatigue o pagkapagod katulad noong Game 1, dahil inamin niya noon na napagod siya sa pagbabantay kay Kyrie Irving, ngayon nga daw ay fully energized siya. Yun nga lang ay natalo pa rin sila kila Luka Doncic.
About being fatigued the other night, how are you feeling?
I feel great tonight. Yeah, I feel real good.
Did you have to get oxygen at one point though?
Nah, I was good today.
And you guys had your back cancel on the previous series. You got back cancel, but how much do you draw from that, knowing that?
Yeah,
Mataas ba din ang confidence ni Anthony Edwards matapos silang 2-0 ng Dallas Mavericks sa kanilang home court? Ginawa niyang basehan ang serye nila kontra sa defending champs na Denver Nuggets kung saan 3-2 daw ang lamang ng Denver Nuggets at nakambak pa nila. Hoping si Ant-Man na ganito din ang mangyari sa serye nila kontra sa Dallas Mavericks ngayon.
Yeah, I mean, we was down 3-2. We was up 2-0, then they came and won 2 at the crib, and then 1 at their crib. So, I mean, we've been here before. Yeah, I don't think anybody in the locker room is panicking. I hope not, because just come out and play our brand of basketball. We let them make a run. We were supposed to go up big, but we made a run and cut it right before half. We made some mistakes, but we'll be all right.
Aminado din si Edwards na marami daw ang pagkakamali ng kanyang koponan lalo na nung second half dahil natambakan na nila ang Dallas Mavericks nung first half at nakahabol ito sa kanila.
Doesn't matter just cleaning up some things here and there.
Yeah, game plan mistakes, man. I feel like we come out game 3 and don't make or we try to minimize the game plan mistakes. I think we'll win that game.
Sa last 3 games si Anthony Edwards mga ropa kasama yung Game 7 nila sa Denver Nuggets, 17 out of 57 field goals ang meron si Anthony Edwards. Napakababa nito considering na siya ang inaasahan ng Minnesota Timberwolves sa opensa at siya ang star player ng team. Kayo mga ropa, what are your thoughts about sa performance ni Anthony Edwards sa Game 1 and 2? Anong masasabi nyo? Mag-comment kayo dyan sa baba, magkwentuhan tayo.